I can feel it, baby. I can feel it. Hello everyone, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. We are taking it back to a blender tutorial video. I get a lot of questions for how to make a smoothie bowl using either the Nutribullet or the Magic Bullet blender. These are relatively an inexpensive blender, and I've actually never made a smoothie bowl using the Nutribullet, but you guys know if you've been following me for any length of time that I firmly believe you can make a smoothie bowl in any kind of blender you have. So I'm up to the challenge. They had this one and the Magic Bullet, but I did a poll on my Instagram and most people said they use the Nutribullet, so I thought this one would be most helpful to do a tutorial on since that's what most of you have. This one is 900 watts. I did check out the Magic Bullet. I think that one is 250 watts. And really, when it comes to making smoothie bowls, it all comes down to how many watts or how much horsepower your blender has. The more horsepower, the more watts, the more energy, the more oomph is the more high speed your blender is gonna be, which is what's really gonna help you make that smoothie bowl. So I'm glad that most of you have the Nutribullet because it has more watts than the Magic Bullet, which means it's gonna be easier to get that really thick texture that everyone wants in a smoothie bowl. Now, if I was just to guess, I do think it's gonna require a little bit more time and patience using the Nutribullet because it's not as high of a speed blender as the Ninja or the Vitamix, but I still think we're gonna be able to do it. And I'm excited to try today. Now, I went to Target and got this blender just for you, but here's the thing. I don't really need another blender. I have so many blenders in this kitchen, it's unreal. I think I have like 4 blenders already, and I love them all. So I thought it would be fun to give away this blender. So we're gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this exact Nutribullet that I'm using in this video. If you don't have a blender, or if your Nutribullet broke, or you just wanna get better at making smoothie bowls, you can win this blender that I'm using and struggling to open right now. I will put the information for the giveaway in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I'll also put some information on my Instagram, so make sure we're friends on that too. Woo! Free blenders. Everybody loves that. This is gonna be such a fun video. Oh my gosh, I'm unboxing it. This is my first time. Y'all are doing this with me. It looks like we have the user guide. If you are excited about this video and to learn how to make a smoothie bowl in a Nutribullet, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're enjoying these videos, if they add value to your lives and make you smile, would you consider hitting that subscribe button? I found out that 81% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers. So it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators. It's free. Hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Interesting. Okay, I'm looking at this little guide. They actually recommend putting your softest ingredients at the bottom of the cup, and so your hardest things like frozen fruit and ice will be closest to the blades. I actually don't recommend that. I always tell people to put your softest things closest to the blades because that's what gets blended up first and that's what helps you get your blender going. So maybe we should try what they say. Ooh, fun. Okay. So excited. I love new blenders. This is gonna be so cool. Oh, she's so pretty. Here we go. Perfect, very compact, we love it. And then it comes with 2 cups. This one looks like the travel cup because it's got the little handle. And we've got another cup. This one comes with the blades. Here are the blades. It's our little to-go lid with the spout. I think that goes right on there somehow. Great. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, today's smoothie bowl is gonna be a simple banana berry smoothie bowl. I'm just gonna do 1 frozen banana. I'm just gonna break it up into little chunks. The bananas help our smoothie bowl be really thick and creamy. Then we're gonna do about half a cup of frozen blueberries, half a cup of frozen strawberries, and then just a couple shakes of frozen rice cauliflower so we get our veggies in. And just for fun, I'm gonna do about half a tablespoon of chia seeds. And then last but not least, we're gonna put in our liquid. I'm still gonna start with just a splash. I always do about 1/4 of a cup. We can always add more liquid. That's actually the last of this one, so that's perfect. We're gonna start with this and then see how it does, and we might add more in just a minute. Ooh, okay, I'm kinda nervous. You just twist this to get it to go. You ready? Maybe not. Okay, let's just get this down. I should have put the banana at the bottom. Okay, I can already tell that it needs more liquid. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to do this a couple times, but you're just gonna take your spoon. Since this doesn't have a tamper, we're gonna use the spoon to kind of get things mixed up and get them going. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of juice. This is mango passion fruit juice. I'm just gonna put a splash into here. That was maybe 2 tablespoons. Maybe bring a banana to the top. Those seem to get blended up really well, easily first. We're gonna have to do this a couple times, continuing to take the blades off and mix the fruit around so that we don't have to add any more liquid. Just for funsies, we're gonna do 1 more splash of liquid. Get it all down there towards the base. Here we go. I can feel it, baby, I can feel it. Oh yeah, it's looking really good inside here. We just gotta get it mixed up just a tiny bit more. So you gotta have a lot of patience with this. We're just gotta keep shaking it. We're doing good. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the most exciting thing. All of that was worth it because you can't see it, but if you look through the top right here, we've even got the vortex going. We got the swirl. It is blended up. I think it's ready. We don't want to do it too much because the blender starts to heat up and that actually starts to melt your smoothie bowl. This is a very quick process, even though that did take longer than using a high-speed blender. We did it. So now it's time to dunk it out and see how thick it is. Oh my gosh. Amazing. It looks so good. Can you see that? Wow. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. We did it. We did it. It's so beautiful and it's so thick. See, I told you, you can make a thick smoothie bowl in any blender. This was done with the Nutribullet Pro 900-watt blender. I'm giving it away. I want one of you to have it, someone who is super passionate and excited about making smoothie bowls. So be sure to check out the description box for info on how you can enter that giveaway. But I hope this video was inspiring to you. I've been loving seeing all your smoothie bowl creations. Please keep tagging me in your Instagram posts and your TikTok videos. They make me so happy. Also, if you haven't heard, I'm starting a new Nomad newsletter. It's gonna be once a month. It's completely free, and in it will be a new ebook every single month with 5 new recipes. Usually this ebook is about $1 to $2, but if you sign up for the newsletter, you get the ebook absolutely free. 5 free recipes. It doesn't get much better than that. It's free to sign up. Just go to my blog, NicoleTheNomad.com. I also linked it in the description box below. You can enter your email and join the Nomad family. I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. See ya!